Hello craft heroes! This is what the arms of our cactus potted plant looks like. Now, let's crochet this section together using green yarn. For round 1, we'll work 6 single crochet around the magic ring, 6 stitches in total. Now, with your left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and gently loop the yarn once around your pinky. Then loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes a lovely X shape in front of your fingers. Pinch the crossover point of the X with your thumb and middle finger to secure it. Insert your hook into this loop and pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Next, we'll work 6 single crochet together. Insert your hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. You'll see 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. And just like that, this is 1 single crochet. We can see the lovely V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with your stitch marker so it's easy to find later. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochet. The second single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should see 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, no worries. Just undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and gently pull tight to close up the ring. Insert your hook into the marked first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on the hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide it neatly. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop, and we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of the round is just for joining. It does not count as a stitch, so please do not include it when counting your stitches. For round 2, we'll work 3 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 9 stitches in total. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. The beginning chain of each round is worked to achieve the height of the next round, and it does not count as a stitch, so please do not include it when counting your stitches. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Next, we'll work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch equals 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and you'll see 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finish 2 sequences. Work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. This is the slip stitch, and this is the chain stitch. The beginning chain and slip stitch at the end of each round are just for transitioning, so don't count them as stitches. We'll skip these 2 stitches and insert our hook into the marked stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Finished round 2. For round 3 to round 5, we'll work 9 single crochet each round. 9 stitches in total for each round. Round 3 to 5 follows the same pattern rule as rounds 5 to 10 in the Cactus Potted Plants Big Cactus section of our previous tutorial. Single crochet round, single crochet into each stitch once to stabilize the shape. This is the finished piece of the middle cactus after we completed rounds 3 to 5. Rounds 3 to 5 are easy to follow once you've understood the logic. For round 6, we'll work 2 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 9 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. The second single crochet. Continue with 2 double crochet next. Yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, the second double crochet. 3, 4, 5. Continue with 2 single crochet next. Work 1 slip stitch in the marked stitch to finish round 6. For round 7, we'll work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 6 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. Now we'll work 1 decrease. Insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Then insert your hook into the front loop of the stitch after that. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Continue with 1 double crochet next. Yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Next we'll work 1 double crochet 2 stitches together. Yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull it through the 3 loops on hook. And we've got 1 double crochet 2 stitches together. Continue with 1 single crochet next. And 1 decrease. Insert your hook into the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Work 1 slip stitch in the marked stitch to finish round 7. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Now we can stuff the cactus arm with stuffing. And there we go! We have finished the arm of our cactus potted plant.